Welcome back, guys, with another video. This time I'm going to show you how to make royal icing. These are perfect to decorate for your cookies and other items, as well as for your cake. But I will be using these to decorate my cookies today. So let's get started. What we're gonna do is add in about 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I do want to sift the sugar to get all the bumps out. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I use just the store brand powdered sugar, but you can purchase whatever brand you desire. This works for me. So it makes a whole lot of difference. It's coming out definitely finer on the other end. So with this one, you can either move it back and forth or just tap it onto your stand mixer bowl. Right. So almost there. Now also, you do want to use half a tablespoon of warm water and the egg white of a medium egg. You want to also squeeze some drops of lemon into your mixture to kill off any bacteria from the egg yolk. Go ahead and add in a half tablespoon of warm water, and I will be adding the egg yolk, or excuse me, the egg white of a medium egg. And I'll be squirting some lime right over that. Normally I use yellow lemons. I don't have that right now, so we're gonna do that. Alright, also you do want to add a splash of pure vanilla extract right into that mixture. It'll give an awesome flavor. So this is what it should look like. You do want to blend and incorporate that all together. Let's go ahead and set it up for it. Here it is, guys. Blending away. Now we do want to add in, we're just going to get that all incorporated with our spatula to get it all incorporated. Depending on the consistency that you want, you do want it to be a thicker consistency for the outlining of a decoration of a cookie, for example. But for the flooding part, you do want it to be more runny consistency. So this will be perfect for the outlining of my cookie. So this is how it's looking. I just want to give it another swirl. Now this is just to decorate about 8 cookies, but that's not the only color that I will be using. I'll be using white, black, and green. And I already do have some black mixture So this is what I'm doing, just a smaller batch of it. And this goes a long ways anyway. Alright guys, so there you have it. Some royal icing. Decoration of your cakes or your cookies. So thanks for watching guys. I will be back with another video of other recipes.